Hello there. Today we will be working on Lesson 7. We are going to model mixed numbers with units of hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, and hundredths in expanded form and on the place value chart. Let's begin. Look at number 2 on the problem set. It says to use the place value chart to answer the following questions. Express the value of the digit in unit form. Look at letter A. The digit blank is in the hundreds place. It has a value of blank. Let's find the hundreds on our place value chart. What digit did you find there? Was it 4? Let's write down 4. Now, what is the value of 4 hundredths? That would be 400. Look at letter B. The digit blank is in the tens place. It has a value of blank. Let's find the tens place on our place value chart. What digit do you see there? I see 1. What is the value of 110? That would be 10. Look at letter C. Which digit is in the tenths place? Look at your place value chart. There is an 8 in the tenths place. What is the value? It is 0.8. Look at letter D. Which digit is in the hundreds place? Look at your place value chart. There is a 3 in the hundreds place. What is the value? Write it as a decimal on the line. The value is 0.03. Look at the next chart for number 2. It is letters E through H. Go ahead and fill in the blanks for each letter. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready to check. The digit 5 is in the hundreds place. It has a value of 500. The digit 3 is in the tens place. It has a value of 30. The digit 1 is in the tenths place. It has a value of 0.1. The digit 6 is in the hundreds place. It has a value of 0.06. Look at number 3. It says to write each decimal as an equivalent fraction, and then write each decimal in expanded form using both decimal and fraction notation. The first one has been done for you. Let's just focus on the decimal notation for these problems so we don't get confused. Look at letter B. We have 21.4. Let's write that as a mixed number. Remember, everything before the decimal point is the big kahuna. Everything after is the fraction. So our mixed number is 21 and 4 tenths. For the expanded form, we need to look at one place value at a time, starting with the greatest place value. We are going to start in the tens place. We have 2 tens, so our notation will be parentheses 2 times 10, end parentheses, plus the next place value, which is ones. We have 1, so our notation is 1 times 1. Plus the next place value, which is tenths. We have 4 tenths, so it's going to be 4 times 0.1. Look at letter C. We have 38.09. Let's write that as a mixed number. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. We have 38 as our big kahuna and 9 hundredths as our fraction. For the expanded form, we need to look at the greatest place value. We are going to start in the tens place. We have 3 tens, so our notation is 3 times 10. Plus, the next place value is ones, and we have 8 of them. So our notation is going to be 8 times 1. Plus, we will move on to the next place value, which would be tenths. We don't have any tenths, so our notation is going to be 0 times 0.1. plus the next place value, which is hundredths. We have 900, so our notation is going to be 9 times 0.01. Your assignment is to work on 2E, 2F, 2G, 2H, and 3D. Check your work with the answer keys and make corrections if needed. Put the problem set in your take-home folder, then work on the exit ticket. For number 2 on the exit ticket, just do the first row of the chart. If you want to try the last row, you can. Make sure your name is on it and turn it in to the turn-in tray. Great job today. I'll see you next time.